Hi friends, in this video we are going to discuss about a question on losses. How it is? The eddy current loss in a DC generator is 400 watts. The given eddy current loss in our machine 400 watts at 40 hertz of frequency. For 40 hertz frequency they given like this. Then frequency of reversal and constant flux density. The given constant flux density constant is nothing but V by F is constant. This is the given. When the frequency increased to 50 hertz, then eddy current loss is how much? Now we don't know the eddy current losses, but they given the frequency of 50 hertz. This is what we require. For example, W1, this is W2, this is F1, this is F2. What about voltage? They didn't given the voltage, but they given that the V by F ratio is constant. What is eddy current losses formula? Eddy current loss equals to some constant K into B max square into F square T square. T is the thickness which is constant value, K is the constant value. So the eddy current losses are directly proportional to B max square and F square. We know this formula. From this formula, eddy current loss is directly proportional to, we know B is nothing but V by F. That's why V square by F square and F square. Of course, no need to make this one because the given V by F ratio constant. If V by F the constant is nothing but B maximum also constant. So we have only formula W directly proportional to F square. Here, frequency increased from 40 Hz to 50 Hz. Then what is the change in eddy current losses? Our formula is W directly proportional to F square. Nothing but W2 upon W1 is equals to F2 square upon F1 square. That is nothing but W2 by W1. What is W1? 400 watts. Is equals to F2 square. What is F2? 50 hertz. 50 square upon 40 square. Are you okay? 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel. So W2 is equals to 400 multiplied with 25 out of 16. 4 how much, sir? 4 ones are and 00. 4 ones are 4 25s are 25 25s are 625 watts. Here the frequency increased up to 50 hertz, then eddy current losses increased to 625 watts. This is the question on eddy current losses when V by F ratio constant. If the same question asked for hysteresis losses, WH1 is equals to 400 watts at 40 hertz and V by F ratio constant. Then what is hysteresis losses when my frequency is 50 hertz? If they asked like this, then what is the formula? When V by F constant, hysteresis losses directly proportional to frequency. That's it. So tell me what is answer? WH2 by WH1 is equals to F2 by F1 is nothing but WH2 by 400 is equals to F2 is the 50, F1 is the 40, 40 ones are 40 tens are. So hysteresis losses is equals to 500 watts. See how silly question is this. For 40 hertz, 400 watts. Then for 50 hertz, what is the answer? See, for 40 hertz, 400 watts. When hysteresis loss is directly proportional to frequency, then for 50 hertz, the answer is 500 watts. Actually, this is the question, this is the answer, this is clear. But I am going to tell you that generally they may ask you sometimes silly questions. Okay? In that case, don't confuse and get an idea fastly. If you do all this, you can get the answer, of course. But it will take around 1 minute, right? Why do you wasting that 1 minute? You know that distance loss is directly proportional to frequency. Then for 48 just 400 watts. Then what about 58 just? Just think for 10 seconds. Don't do for 1 minute. Are you clear? Right? So this is the losses question. Understood? Thank you.